Here we have a Queensland Boulder Opal, 100% natural, not a doublet, not a triplet, not synthetic opal. Amazing colours. This really vivid blue. Good shape, great size. Make sure you watch the video below of Kieran wearing the pendant. It'll give you a really good idea of the size. But that blue in the sunshine is amazing, but even in low light you get that nice deep electric blue colour. Good thickness. Very, very nice. The item number is 22066. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Happy to answer any questions you might have over the phone. Or we can also take payment over the phone. Or simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Add to Cart button. My name is Jeff McDonald, and thanks for watching.